What if writing a best-selling novel didn't take years of struggle, writer's block, and endless rewrites? What if you could speed up the process, generate powerful ideas instantly, and still keep your unique voice intact? AI is changing the way stories are created, and the writers who learn how to use it properly are gaining a serious advantage. The new era of storytelling. Writing has always been a creative process, but now it's also becoming a collaborative one. AI is not here to replace writers, it's here to assist them. Think of it as a tool that helps you brainstorm faster, structure better, and stay consistent. The biggest misconception is that AI writes the novel for you. That's not how successful authors use it. Instead, they use AI to enhance their creativity, not replace it. The human element, emotion, perspective, storytelling depth still comes from you. What AI does is remove friction. It helps you move from idea to execution much faster than traditional writing methods. Starting with a powerful idea. Every best-selling novel starts with a strong concept. This is where AI becomes incredibly useful. Instead of sitting for hours trying to come up with the perfect idea, you can use AI to generate multiple story concepts within minutes. You can explore different genres, plot twists, and character arcs instantly. But here's the key. Don't just accept the first idea. Refine it. Combine ideas. Add your own twist. The goal is to create something unique, not generic. A strong idea usually has three elements: a compelling character, a clear conflict, and high stakes. AI can help generate these, but you decide what makes them powerful. Building your story structure. One of the biggest challenges for writers is structuring the story. Many people start writing without a clear direction and get stuck halfway. AI can help you outline your novel step by step. You can create chapter breakdowns, plot points, and even pacing strategies. For example, you can ask AI to generate a 3-act structure or a detailed chapter outline. This gives you a roadmap, so you're never lost while writing. However, don't treat the outline as a strict rulebook. It's a guide. Some of the best moments in storytelling come from unexpected changes during the writing process. Creating deep and memorable characters. Characters are the heart of any novel. If readers don't connect with your characters, the story won't succeed, no matter how good the plot is. AI can help you develop detailed character profiles, including personality traits, backstories, motivations, and flaws. But here's where you need to be careful. AI-generated characters can sometimes feel too perfect or predictable. Your job is to add depth and imperfection. Give your characters contradictions, make them human. The more real they feel, the more readers will care about their journey. Writing faster without losing quality. One of the biggest advantages of using AI is speed. You can generate drafts quickly, overcome writer's block, and keep your momentum going. If you're stuck on a scene, AI can suggest different ways to continue. If a dialogue feels flat, AI can help improve it. But speed should not come at the cost of quality. Don't just copy and paste. Edit, refine, and rewrite. Your voice should always be the final filter. Think of AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Improving dialogue and description. Dialogue is one of the hardest parts of writing. It needs to sound natural, reveal character, and move the story forward. AI can generate dialogue options, but you should always adjust them to match your character's personalities and tone. The same goes for descriptions. AI can help create vivid settings and imagery, but you should refine them to fit your story's mood. The goal is not perfection, it's authenticity. Readers can tell when something feels robotic or generic. Editing and refining your manuscript. Writing the first draft is only half the battle. Editing is where your novel truly comes to life. AI can help you identify grammar issues, improve sentence structure, and even suggest better word choices. It can also help with consistency, making sure character details, timelines, and plot points align throughout the story. However, don't rely entirely on AI for editing. You still need to review everything carefully. Sometimes what's technically correct isn't creatively right. Understanding what makes a bestseller. Using AI doesn't guarantee success. You still need to understand what makes a novel sell. Best-selling novels usually have strong emotional hooks, engaging pacing, and relatable themes. They keep readers turning pages. AI can analyze trends and suggest popular themes or genres, but chasing trends blindly is risky. Trends change quickly. Instead, focus on timeless elements, compelling storytelling, emotional depth, and strong characters. Publishing and positioning your novel. Once your novel is ready, the next step is publishing. AI can also help here. You can use it to write book descriptions, create marketing copy, and even generate ideas for cover design. But publishing is more than just uploading your book. Positioning matters. You need to choose the right genre, keywords, and audience. Think about who your book is for. What problem does it solve? What experience does it offer? The better you understand your audience, the higher your chances of success. Marketing your book effectively. Even the best novel won't sell if no one knows about it. Marketing is essential. AI can help you create social media posts, email campaigns, and promotional content. It can also suggest marketing strategies based on your genre. But marketing still requires effort and consistency. You need to build an audience, engage with readers, and promote your book regularly. The most successful authors are not just writers, they're marketers too. Scaling your writing career. Once you've written one novel, the real opportunity is in scaling. AI allows you to produce content faster, which means you can write multiple books in less time. This increases your chances of success. Many successful authors build a series rather than standalone books. This keeps readers coming back for more. The more books you have, the more visibility you gain, and the more income potential you create. Common mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is over-relying on AI. If you let AI do everything, your novel will lack originality. Another mistake is skipping the editing process. Even AI-generated content needs refinement. Some writers also focus too much on speed and forget about quality. A rushed novel rarely succeeds. And finally, don't ignore feedback. Reviews and reader responses are valuable for improving your future work. The future of AI and writing AI is not a trend, it's a shift. It's changing how content is created across industries, including publishing. Writers who learn how to use AI effectively will have a significant advantage. They'll be faster, more efficient, and more adaptable. But the core of storytelling will always remain human. Emotions, experiences, and creativity cannot be automated. AI is just a tool. How you use it determines your success. Writing a best-selling novel with AI is not about shortcuts, it's about working smarter. Use AI to generate ideas, structure your story, and improve your writing. But always keep control of the creative process. Your voice, your perspective, and your storytelling are what make your novel unique. Start with one idea. Build your story. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Because in the end, the best novels aren't written by machines, they're written by humans who know how to use the right tools.